Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today I will discuss control panel part 3, where I will show you the restore option of whatever I have taken backup in my PC in my previous video. In my previous videos I have taken one option, so I will again go to restore option here to show you in this control panel option. Here you see this is restore my files. You can go here to restore the files, or if you know the exact location of the file that you have written on, then you go to the location and right click on the folder of the backup folder, then it will also give the restore option. So here I will try to show you these options quickly. Restore file, and this menu says that browse for files or search if you have the name of this folder. So I will browse, and then you see here the backup list where I have taken backup already. So I am using this username, this is username administrator. So I will go to this, and I see the backup location of my source location is desktop. So yes, it is easy to access my folder. Here it is a file of, yes, it is file there. I have Susan here, so I click on add. Yes, this file has been chosen to restore from my backup location. Now go to next option. Here you see, so here you see this, can you place this original location? Yes. If I don't want to go to this original location, then I go next second location. So I, according to my choice, so I will change my location. You see, I will suppose go to the folder of suppose another folder in the location. Suppose yes, it is users, and these users, and I go to admin, and within this admin I go to desktop again. So, and in desktop, suppose I have changed the location of itechsolution. Yes, so I will show you that it will reach this folder. Okay, so restore, I click on restore. That is, my location is changed. The original location was day1 folder on the desktop, but I have to change the location. I want to change the location as this. Click on restore. Yes, it is processing. Yes, your file has been restored. So now I click finish. This is the process of restoring file from this option. And the second method of and I want to check it whether it is coming on my folder here. This is CC folder here already. The file name was payslip. You see here. Yes, this is payslip. Yes, it is existing. So this is the process of backup taken. And the second method I want to show quickly is the go to the location of D drive, H drive, sorry, where I have taken my backup. The backup location is shown is here with this icon, and right click, restore option here, and restore my files from this backup. So it will show the same screen as my wizard have taken in the restore file option here. So that is all. And here one more thing is that if you don't want to backup these things and want to destroy these things, then you choose this option, manage space, and from this option you can discard or delete the backup file. So it is with the restore option here. So next control panel, I will show the things, the more things there. I have already told you that there are many things in control panel. Most important things are there to control the system, entire system. So second, I want to show you the default programs. You see here, and there is a little small thing is there. I want to show you desktop gadgets. You see, this is desktop budget. What are like a desktop budget? That is clock showing on this desktop, calendar showing on this calendar, news feed, and this. These are the things that you can paste here from this option. Add a double click on this, and it will be added to your desktop. These are called desktop budgets. So now I will show you the default program, which is a typical thing, because we want to explain something more than that. You see here, on default program there is a 4 options you're in front of you. These are the current choosing options that set your default programs. Second is associated file type, and third is change autoplay settings, and set program access and computer details. So I will open one by one and show you. I have discussed already the autoplay options, so these are same thing that I have told in my earlier videos. That is, autoplay setting is that whatever we place in the option on, then it will suppose play audio, then it will, if I will put up one pen drive or one CD in the CD drive, if there is an audio file, it will automatically play using this VLC player. This is called autoplay settings. So I will show the another things here. This is set program access. You see here. Yes, something here. Yes, their custom setting is there, because something already set here with which program. You see, program will use these things in my computer. That is, for web browser, it will use my current web browser. That is, whatever I have set as default browser, it will act okay. Next thing is what is the email program. If I have any email program assigned to this PC, it will use that email program. And next is media player. If I have set that Windows media player as default, then it will play my media player as Windows media player, whatever in the internet, whatever in the download options that they are in. Next is the default option is here, the message Java machine. That there's whatever virtual machine is updated in my PC, it will use this Java program, because you know every program in the computer, in a computer OS, use Java machine, Java that will be updated if you have to given the option of update. So these are the default JVM used by this PC. So that is something more that some programs are there whichever run on using Java, it will use this my JVM machine. So these are the options as set program access. Next things is go associate file types. Yes, so you see that something is there, loading a file system to of your computer to the screen. That is, this computer is using more and more file names and extension there. So it is showing all the extension used by this PC, primary extension. That is, whatever you need, whatever these programs are running, it will have to assign some extension, file extension. I have already explained about file extension in my previous videos. So but it is also that the separator is dot after the file name. Suppose I have one file, you see here, VLC media dot it, and JPG is dot JPG. Yes, dot JPG. So file name will be in front of this dot, and after dot there will be the extension type, that is file type. Similarly, you go continue to see MP4 file is, yes, MP4 is there, somewhere M4V here, yes, it is included as .m4v, and .mdb is there for access. The type is pure to 2003, and suppose you see VLC media file again .mkv, and before again .mp4 version. That is main file is will be the in front of dot, before dot. See here, suppose these are the extension of files given in this PC. .pdf, you all know Adobe Reader file is there, and ppt, yes, .ppt, Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2027 to 2023 presentation format. So I think it will be clear to you that all information of extension can be had from this set association file set association. So next is the remaining is the set your default programs. You see what are the default program running on this PC. Yes, these are the main program we quickly accessed by this PC, and it is shown that whatever you choose a file, it is as a default program, it will be used for browser. And in case of you want to forcefully set this default, you click on this set this program as default, and this also given the same facilities. Office Outlook also given as the to manage your mailbox, then you can use as set this program as default. Media player is here. Yeah, what are the action, that is a video of this snap, and it can be set as default. So this image, what are the action of this file, allow the DVD write ISO files. These are the things what are these are already acting as default program, and but if you are forcefully act as to set this default, you can click on here. So these are the things whatever this computer using as default programs. I think it is sufficient to us that whatever action of default program is going to do in control panel. So and desktop gadgets already explained, and backup and restore process already declared, I have described. So thank you for viewing this video, and I will keep continuing for more device manager etc in next videos. Thank you. And if you like this video, click on like button and share with friends and subscribe me. Thank you.